Got our $700 solar power system here. Got 2 lead acid batteries, deep cycles, 2 different inverters. One has a lower idle speed, or a idle on it for current draw. And that one's a crappy modified sine wave one, but for about that, you get, when it's sunny, unlimited power. In the front room, got the backup power here. And this thing keeps showing up. Yeah, it may not work instantly, but you buy it once, you never have to buy gas for it. So, may not be sunny every day, but you'll get power eventually, so it works out.